Okay, I'm going to install Jellyfin on my Raspberry Pi 5 by following the instructions from itsfoss.com/jellyfin-raspberry-pi. So the first command is to update and upgrade the Raspberry Pi. The next command from the website will install the transport HTTPS. The next command will install the GPG key. And the next command will load up the repo. Next, update. And then sudo apt install jellyfin-y. And when that's done, find out your IP address with hostname -I and write that down. Then go to the web browser, http:// your IP address, then a colon, 8096. And you've got to the Jellyfin homepage where we're going to do the initial setup. I'm choosing my language as English, creating a username and password. Then click Next. Now here I'm going to click Add Media Library. But first I'm going to create a folder. Back to the terminal, sudo make dir, and I'm going to put it at /home/jellyfin. Then I'm going to change the permissions with sudo chmod 777 /home/jellyfin. Okay, next I'm going to go to the folders, select my path, /home/jellyfin, and then OK. Then select all the options that I want. And when I'm done, click OK. Then after you've put videos in that folder, you can click Scan All Libraries. And it should pick up all your movies, so you can click on one. And Jellyfin does not like MKV videos, so use MP4s. And after you click on the movie, you can click the play button, or go to your Roku device, load up the Jellyfin app. If you don't see your IP address, you can go down near the bottom, enter your own IP address, then click OK, then click Submit, then enter your username and password. Then choose if you want to save your username and password, and then click Submit. You can just click OK there, and then you can click on whichever movie you want to play, then choose play, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.